I'm gonna make $200 in 30 minutes. This is day one of rebuilding my Amazon store from scratch. I'm on my way to a Value Village right now. It closes in 30 minutes, so I have to get there. Actually, it closes in 20 minutes. So I have 20 minutes to make $200. 40, so we got 20 minutes starting now. All right, here we are. Looking for books right here. We got one book, $4.91. So it's not that much. As you can see, we scanned 314 books. You know, sometimes that's just how it is. You have good days, you have bad days, but stay tuned for day 2.